Round 2, World's Strongest Engine. This is our second part. So, first up, Duchess versus Golden Thomas. Go! It's a draw. Duchess wins second round. Monkey Mania Thomas versus Zombao. Go! Well, Monkey Mania Thomas wins. Gina easily wins. Round 4. Change the track up a little bit. Scotsman versus Raoul. Go! Round 5.
False weight, be careful.
Go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Round 6. Thomas and Percy in 3, 2, 1, go. Thomas wins. Quarterfinals once again. Both Thomases first. Go! I'll let regular Thomas win with that because it was super close. Quarterfinal 2, Monkey Mania versus Gina. Go! Draw again. You're out anyway. Now, Duchess versus Raoul. Raoul versus Gina. Go! Good technique. Final round. Raoul wins the second one and clear.